and we didn't realise that it would be hard to get a tuk-tuk at 4 in the morning. But we need to get a tuk-tuk very quickly because we're getting a train, second attempt to the train. Oh, here's one. So we've made it to the station, check. Let's see if we can beat last time and actually get on the train. So, as long as we can actually get on, that train over there is the train that we're meant to be getting. So scared it's going to leave. C1, we found it! We're getting on the train. Yeah, man! Well, this train station was just a lot easier to get on because the actual overhead announcer spoke English, plus the actual train number we had, and there were signs this time, which just made it so much easier. Believe it or not, the next station is Jaipur, so we're very nearly there. First train journey in India complete and last. Pink City?
Pink City?
Yeah, that's very near Zostel.
Yeah, near the Zostel, right. And second, there is places here very beautiful here.
So the main thing to remember is that whenever you arrive at a train station, bus station or airport, always walk out the airport and walk for about 10 minutes, however tired you are, because you always get your taxi, your tuk-tuk prices down by like half your price. He lost me at the end, he was doing well until then. I've now had 2 experiences of the train and they have been complete polar opposites. The first one was an absolute nightmare and that last one was amazing. First impression of Jaipur, it's very hectic, but it looks like there's a lot more to do than we first thought. And oh, Nikon camera shop, cool. I can't think of what else. Oh yeah, we're at Zostel Hostel and it seems quite nice so far. Good Wi-Fi, really big common area, which is nice. See roads here. Good?
Excellent.
Hello, monkey. Oh, fuck me. Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's
got a few days here to explore Jaipur and it was really cool, chilled out hostel. So I'm about to go to bed, so I'll see you soon. Got a few days here to explore Jaipur and it was really cool, chilled out hostel. So I'm about to go to bed, so I'll see you soon.